Welcome back to In the Lab with the Doc. Today we're going to be learning how to make your own disinfectant spray to go along with the hand sanitizer that we did last week, because as we know, shit is hitting the fan and we need to do all we can to keep our family safe. So I've got two simple methods for you. My favorite is with alcohol. The other one is with bleach. I prefer to use alcohol because I don't know, I just feel like I would totally ruin every piece of clothing in my house if I tried to clean my house with bleach. So it's super simple. All you need is a bottle of alcohol, which I know it's hard to find, but if you have 99% alcohol, you can use, you'll mix a third cup distilled or bottled water with a 3/4 cup of your alcohol. If your alcohol is less than 99%, you need at least 70% alcohol. We still have a couple bottles of this 91% alcohol, so I'm not even going to mix it with water. I'm just going to use straight alcohol. You're just going to pour it straight into your water bottle that you can find at Kroger or the dollar store. Fill this up with alcohol, and then I added about 30 drops. I used lemongrass this time. You can use any essential oil that you want. Basically just whatever you want it to smell like. It took about 30 drops to make it strong enough to where it covered up the alcohol smell. If you don't have alcohol, you can use bleach. Bleach is a little easier to find. I picked this up at the dollar store. You will mix 4 teaspoons of bleach per 4 cups of water. So I would pour the bleach and the water into a measuring cup and then fill your spray bottle. So there you have it. We have either the alcohol sanitizing version or bleach sanitizing version. Good luck with both. Using this sanitizing spray, you want to clean your doorknobs, your table surfaces, light switches, remote controls, your kids' video game controls, which I'm sure are disgusting, faucets, toilets, clean your whole bathroom, clean your whole kitchen. You can use this on everything and it will kill the coronavirus. So that is all I have for you today. Be sure to like this video, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.